What's up, guys? It's Deadly Cyclone Iowa DC here for the Iowa DC YouTube channel, and today we're taking a look at the new 2021 iPad Pro, the 12.7, 13-inch, whatever they're calling it these days, the big one. So I just wanted to do a quick video unboxing some of this and just showing you what the two of the, I think 3 or 4 colors looks like. I've got the gray, space gray here, and I also have the silver that you'll see at the end of the video. Now these just started shipping this week. There's been a lot of confusion on what and when these things are actually going to come out. I have a friend that ordered one retail, and it's pushed back to the end of June. So they could come in at any time, and I think the electronics and chip shortages have caused a lot of issues in that regards. Same with graphics cards and any kind of PC stuff. Even Dell at work has been really behind because of that. But we'll take a look and see what's in the box. It's all, you've seen it once, you've seen it before. Your standard stuff, you've got all your instructional booklets and stuff that you never read anyways. You actually have big Apple stickers this time, which is kind of nice. I saw with the new iMacs, you get Apple stickers that match the color, so that's kind of nice. You get your quick start guide that gives you, if you've never used an iPad before, this is how you do it. Exactly the same as the iPhone pretty much, except for split screen applications. Get all your warnings and your regulations on all that. And this is an AT&T enabled one, so it's got a little SIM card ejector, which I have about 40 of now. It's also got the USB-C cable in there, USB-C to USB-C, and special enough, it's actually got a power brick, which the phones are not coming with currently. So we'll see how long they keep putting them in the iPad box as well, but it's just a standard USB-C power brick. That's pretty much it for the box. There's a lot of extra plastic in here. I'm not sure why they're still doing that when their iPhone packaging got smaller, but we'll go ahead and take the wrap off of this. You can see the camera bump on the back. It's not sure why. Hopefully you're not taking pictures with an iPad, but that's besides the point. Got that nice full bezel screen. You still have a little bit of a 1/4-inch bezel around it, but overall the design is very similar to last year. Dual cameras if you are doing some kind of photography with it. It's got your smart port on the back there at the bottom that you can hook it up to the keyboard or any of the smart cases and things like that. So pretty standard from that regard. It's same thing you saw last year, except this one has the new M1 chip that makes this thing quite a bit more powerful. You can go check out MKBHD's video, but he says roughly around a 40% spec bump, which is huge for an incremental update. So it's still got the quad speakers that sound really nice. That's been really great for watching videos or listening to movies. We'll go ahead and boot it up. It's just going to be the intro screen that if you have an Apple device, you've seen 1,000 times, but it does have a mini LED screen in the bigger models now, so it's going to be quite a bit brighter. The colors are a bit better. You probably won't notice a whole lot aside from maybe brightness if you've had an iPad in the past, but that mini LED is kind of where everything's going. The 11-inch model does not have it. It's got the OLED screen from last year, but the two big models do. And the higher end of the big models with 1 and 2 terabytes have 16 gigs of RAM. This model has 8. So that's kind of overall what the gray model looks like. I'm just trying to give you some close-ups. You can see it. I mean, it looks like an iPad. I think they have them in stores now if you want to go kind of check those out. So we'll switch over here real quick, and I'll show you the silver model so you can just see what that looks like. As you can see, the only way you can really tell is by the logo on the box is a different color. This is the lighter silver model that I went with this time to go with a blue Smart Folio case. And yeah, it's a silver iPad. It's your kind of standard MacBook color. Still has the same M1 chip. Everything's the same. It's just the silver color. I think they still have a gold color, and I can't remember off the top of my head if they've got anything else. I don't think they went fancy like the blue with the most recent iPhone, but that's pretty much it for this video. Check out more videos on the channel. I've got air tags up as well. And thank you guys for watching. Jump over to the channel for more.